Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna bring another makeup tutorial for you guys. So as you can see, I already did my eyebrow off camera. So I'm just going to set it out with this my blending stick. I just want the concealer to just stay well because I don't want my concealer to be greasy. So to set in my concealer, I'm going with my MAC Studio Fix. So for my first translucent color, I'm gonna pick up this brown color right here, and this palette is from Douglas. So for my brow bone, I'm going with this color right here. So for my second color, I'm sorry guys, see the palette, it's completely destroyed. I'm going with this orange color right here, and this, I'm just gonna apply this above my crease, and then I will just blend it. So to cut my crease, I'm going with my Elegant Pro Concealer. Okay, I think I've got the shape. So for setting my crease, I'm going with just my eyeshadow. So for liner, I'm going with my gel liner. So now I'm going with my silver glitters, and I'm going to use my lash glue to apply this one. So I'm going to apply the glue first. So you have to be careful when you're doing the glue so that you will not destroy your eyeliner. So I'm just applying the glue all over my lid, and then I'm carefully doing it because I don't want the glue to just destroy what I've already laid down. But I'm bringing it very close to the liner. So I'm wiping the stick, and then I'm taking my glitters. Just going again with my beauty blender just to blend everything out on my face. And I'm going with my Elegant Brow Concealer again to highlight my face. So I'm going with my concealer. I always like to blend my concealer with sponge. Go with my setting powder. Go with my Slick. For my waterline, I'm going with my gel liner. So I'm going with my blush. I'm going to go with my highlighter, and I'm going with this 2 highlighter. Okay, to line my lip, I'm going with this dark pencil. And I'm going with this my pencil lipstick. So guys, I'm going to spray my face.